something about that song that just make you want to get up and bust a mother move.
Hey everyone, it's Kewe. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you will be watching me make my brother's 16th birthday cake. He requested a lemon cake, so that's what I did. Starting off, I greased and floured my cake pans. That's probably my least favorite thing to do, so I got it out the way. Next, I started adding my dry ingredients to a bowl, so flour, baking soda, baking powder, cornstarch, and salt. Then I added my butter and sugar to the mixing bowl and let that beat for about 3 minutes until light and fluffy. And now I'm adding my eggs, lemon zest, lemon juice, and vanilla. Then I mixed that until it combined. Next, I slowly added the milk and dry ingredients until just combined. Then I added the batter evenly into the cake pans and let that cook. And now I'm starting on the buttercream frosting. Just like that, I have buttercream frosting that holds up well. Now it's time to assemble the cake. This is where it really counts, and I was praying that the cake didn't break in half. Okay, so I started off with a crumb coat, then let that sit in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to make sure it was stiff, and then I started on the second layer of icing to cover up the crumbs. Then I let that sit for 20 minutes. Then I put on a third layer of icing and let that sit for 20 minutes in the refrigerator. Now it's not too crazy looking, it's a little lopsided, but hey. Alright, so now I'm starting on the decorations, just something simple, quick and easy. And just like that, we have a really pretty lemon cake. Even though it's leaning a little bit, it was still good.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Junior. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.